Today we're going to be talking about pictorial model. We're going to be basing our pictorial models off of base 10 blocks, being a flat, which represents 100, one rod that represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One rod represents 10, and one cube, which represents 1. So a flat represents 100, a rod represents 10, a cube represents 1. So if I were to draw this in a pictorial model, I would draw one flat that represents 100, one rod that represents 10, and one cube that represents 1, or you can simply put a dot if you like. Okay, either or. Cube or a little dot. It represents 1. This is what we would call the pictorial model. This is math that is drawn using base 10 symbols. Okay, so if I were to make a pictorial model using the number 223, I would have two flats, 100, 200. I need 100 plus 100 equals 200. I need two tens, two rods, 10 plus 10, which equals 20, and 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3, or you can make little squares. 1, 2, 3. This would be 223 represented in pictorial form. Let's see if you can draw 112 in pictorial form. I'm going to give you 1 second to try to make that in your notebook. Okay, if you need a little bit more time, go ahead and pause the video and finish. If you don't, check your answer. I have one flat, 100, plus one rod, plus one rod, which equals 10, plus two dots, or you can make little squares, 2 cubes, equals 112. Check your answers. Great job.